My name is Mike Dandl, Lieutenant with Cottage Grove Fire Department, and I'm here to talk to you today about unattended cooking. Unattended cooking is cooking that is started on a stovetop such as this, and that is then left. We've all been guilty of it. We've got laundry that's got to get done, a phone call that's made, and all of a sudden what you had started to make on the stove has now created a fire. To combat that, it's best to just, when you cook, just stay and look. Just spend the time in there. Don't let other focuses go by. In the event that something does happen, something starts to boil over, small fire starts. First thing to do is to remain calm, is turn the heat off to that burner. Then you can grab your lid, put it over the pan. We'll smother the fire, eliminating that oxygen from that fire. With that unattended cooking, you could perhaps have mail that could get caught with the burner if not paying attention. That could eventually then spread to towels or floors to rugs. And one thing not to do in the event of a cooking fire on top of a stove is using water, especially with oils or greases that are burning. That water pour will only make things worse. So if you poured water from a height, the effect of that splashing grease and the heat would cause a flame to go up into, say, the cabinets, onto the ceiling, and find other flammable items surrounding the stove. Another one that is available are stovetop fire stops. They attach underneath perhaps the microwave or the exhaust area. They are done by flame, so when the flame lights the wick, it releases the extinguishing powder, puts out the fire. For any questions, please feel free to contact the Cottage Grove Fire Department.